Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can contact Facebook support. So go over to your Facebook profile, tap on the profile icon on the lower right, scroll down, and you have two options here. The first thing that you can do is tap on help and support and tap on help center. And here basically you can search the problem that you have, for example, logging in. Tap on this one, for example, and basically just look for your problem, and the help center would have answers on how to fix your problems, and you can just read them all up in here. If you don't want to do this, another way to do it is to report a problem. So just tap on report a problem, and Facebook is going to ask you to go back to where you saw the problem and shake your phone. So if you don't want to do that, tap on continue to report. And it's going to ask you if you want to include complete logs and diagnostics in your report. But let's just choose don't include in report. And here is a list of the things that you can report on, for example, privacy. And let's just type in something that we want to change. For example, you can even take a screenshot of your problem, and if that is set, then just tap on send, and that will automatically send an email to Facebook support. Now you could expect a response in a few hours, or it can be a few days depending on how quick they respond. Well, that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.